Hello students, today we'll discuss Standard 7 Subject Science Lesson number 13 Changes Physical and Chemical Notes. So let's begin. Let's see question 1. Distinguish between the following. First one is physical change and chemical change. Here I have divided it in two parts. So let's say first point of physical change. The properties of the original substance remain the same in the physical change. And first point of chemical change is the properties of the original substances alter in the chemical change. Second point of physical change, their original composition remains unchanged. And second point of chemical change is their original composition changes. Third point of physical change, the physical changes are reversible. And third point of chemical change, the chemical changes are irreversible. Fourth point of physical change, here I have given examples: evaporation, boiling, dissolution, etc. And fourth point of chemical change is photosynthesis, corrosion, etc. Now second one is periodic change and non-periodic change. Here also I have divided this in two columns. First one is periodic change and other one is non-periodic change. So let's see first point of periodic change. Changes occurring again and again after a definite interval of time are called periodic changes. First point of non-periodic change, changes not occurring again and again after a definite interval of time are called as non-periodic changes. Second point of periodic change, there is constancy in periodic changes. Non-periodic change. Second point, there is no constancy in non-periodic changes. Third point of periodic change, I have given example: high and low tide of the sea, movement of the hands of clock. Third point of non-periodic change, this is also example: breaking of storm. Third one is natural change and man-made change. This is also divided in two columns. First one is natural change and another one is man-made change. Let's see first point of natural change. The change occurring automatically by natural cause is called as natural change. Man-made change, first point, the changes induced by man are called man-made changes. Second point of natural change is most of the natural events are the examples of natural changes. Second point of man-made changes are due to man's wish to satisfy his needs. Third point of natural change is example: ripening of fruits. Third point of man-made change is making table from wood. Question 2. Under which different types can the following changes be classified? First one, conversion of milk into yogurt. Answer is, it is a chemical change, irreversible change as well as slow change. Second one, bursting of a cracker. Children, it is a chemical change as well as irreversible change. Also, it is a fast change. Third one, occurrence of an earthquake. It is a physical change, chemical change, irreversible change as well as natural change. Fourth one, revolution of the earth around the sun. Children, it is a periodic change, slow change. Also, it is a natural change. Fifth one, stretching of a spring. Children, it is a physical and chemical change. Question 3. Give reasons. First one. While purchasing canned food, its expiry date should be checked. Its answer is every canned food has a limited shelf life. This is the time limit during which the food item is safe to eat. This is mentioned on the can, but later, after the expiry date is over, the food may not remain in a good condition. Due to irreversible chemical changes in it, consuming such items can harm our health. Therefore, while purchasing canned food, its expiry date should be checked. Second one, iron article should be given a coat of paint. And its answer is an iron article rusts naturally, which is called as corrosion. Corrosion takes place due to oxygen, moisture, vapors of chemicals in the air. Corrosion makes articles weak and unusable. Therefore, to keep the iron articles in better condition, it should be given a coat of paint. Third one, a wooden article should be polished. Students, a wood is an organic substance that is affected by termites or fungus. This natural change can result into irreversible damage. If polish is applied to such wooden article, the rate of natural changes slow down. Thus, to prevent this harmful change, a wooden article should be polished. Fourth one, copper and brass utensils should be cleaned. And answer is the metal like copper and brass gather a greenish layer due to slow chemical changes. This is corrosion which happens due to oxygen, moisture and vapors of chemical in the air. For the prevention of such corrosion, copper and brass utensils are tin. Moreover, the tin utensils are safer for cooking. And the last fifth one is a dry handkerchief gets wet at once on dipping in water, but it takes long for a wet handkerchief to dry. And its answer is a dry handkerchief absorbs the water once it is dipped into the water. This is a fast change, but drying such a moist handkerchief is a slow process which occurs due to evaporation. Evaporation is the physical change which depends upon atmospheric temperature and humidity. It may therefore take long for drying a wet handkerchief. Student, let's see question 4. What will you take into account while identifying the following? A physical change in a substance, and its answer is it will be seen that whether the substance has changed its properties and composition. If both of these have remained unchanged, then it is a physical change. B, a chemical change in a substance, and its answer is it will be seen that whether the substance is changed in its properties, whether the composition of the substance is changed, whether the change is irreversible. If all the changes are taking place, then it will be a chemical change. Students, question 5, which is last question of the lesson, read the paragraph and note down the various types of changes it mentions. Let us have a look at this paragraph. First we'll read it, then we'll see answer in a point wise. It was nearing 6 o'clock in the evening. The sun was setting, a breeze was blowing, leaves on the tree were shaking. Sahil was sitting in the courtyard, rolling balls of wet soil and shaping them into various toys. Then he felt hungry and went into the house. Mother made a duck from wheat flour and fried puris. While eating hot puris, his attention was drawn outside the window. It had started raining. There was lightning too. Sahil was enjoying his dinner in the dim light. Now let's see answer from this paragraph. See here, first one, it was nearing 6 o'clock in the evening. Children, here in this statement, time is mentioned which is reversible as well as periodic change. Second statement is the sun was setting. Here sunset is mentioned which is periodic and reversible change. Third statement, a breeze was blowing. Blowing of wind is a physical as well as non-periodic change. Fourth statement, leaves on the tree were shaking. Movement due to wind, that is a physical as well as periodic change. Fifth statement, Sahil was sitting in the courtyard rolling balls of wet soil and shaping them into various toys. Making toys of soil is a physical change. Sixth statement, then he felt hungry and went into the house. Hunger is a periodic change. Seventh statement, mother made a dough from wheat flour and fried puris. Frying is a physical change as well as irreversible change. Eighth statement, while eating hot puris, his attention was drawn outside the window. Seeing randomly is non-periodic change. Ninth statement, it had started raining. Raining is a physical as well as periodic if raining in specific season. 10th statement, there was lightning. Lightning is also a physical, chemical as well as fast change. Here students, we have completed notes of lesson number 13. Thank you for watching this video. Do like, share and subscribe my channel.